The AI coding agent showdown. First scenario we're testing for is understanding in large code base. This is Forum. This code base is huge. It powers Dev 2. It's over 48 million tokens, over 1 million lines of code. To keep it fair, we're trying these agents in their default setting out of the box without any guidelines, MCPs, or anything else configured. All right, so I'm in Augment here. So I'm going to copy this exact prompt. Pretty much I've said that there's already like this hover preview for the author. We want to have a very similar thing for each of the articles. Let's just kick that off. Okay, we can see after about 3 context calls, it went to create the plan. You can also add new tasks, delete tasks, and kind of manage the plan on the fly with this task list user interface. Great. And upon completion, it gives you a nice summary here, telling you what features were implemented. Here, when we hover the author name, that's working. This was previous functionality. Now, if we hover over the title, wow, look at that. Perfect. That was amazing. Augment was able to one-shot this problem through a massive code base, 48 million tokens, over 1 million lines of code. Let's see how Cursor compares. Same prompt. Okay, cool. So we actually have to-dos here, which is, it doesn't even say it's finished one of the tasks, but it has asked me to, if I wanted to continue. So it looks like I have to hold Cursor's hand here. So now I've tried a different prompt, continue until all to-dos are complete. Hopefully this time it'll just keep going without asking me for help. And then suddenly it's jumped to 4 out of 4 done. Okay, so maybe the progress of the to-dos wasn't working properly. I'm not sure, but I guess it says it's finished. Here I have running the version that Cursor changed. We can see the hover on the author works just as previously. But now we want to see if the hover on title works, and nope, nothing happens when I hover. All right, we have Claude Code here. We're going to give it the exact same prompt. Okay, we got to-dos. Great, just like the task list. Let's see how Claude Code did. Okay, this is Claude Code's changes. I see that the titles are in the middle here. The hover on author works correctly. A hover on title just kind of highlights it. Oh, if we click on it, the hover preview does come. That technically isn't what we asked for. We asked for on hover. So Windsurf's turn. Let's see how it goes. Okay, interesting. I think these might be the thinking tokens just given to us raw. There's no way anyone's reading this. Okay, this is looking a lot better. The code is now ready to test. It doesn't do any of its own tests. All right, let's test it. Let's see. Here we go, moment of truth. Will Windsurf on title hover? No, nothing. Same exact prompt. It just wasn't able to handle it.